Step 1. Fitting SSD in the Caddy case. I have purchased this SSD from Amazon. Please check out the description section for the link. I had checked a lot of model on internet. I have checked various sites and then figured out that this model is very good for the Lenovo G50-80. We have to place SSD into the Caddy case and make sure that it fits perfectly. We have to first loose the screws and then tight the screws accordingly. Step 2. Release DVD drive and remove battery. Before shutting down the laptop, make sure you release the DVD drive from its socket, which will be required in further steps. Please make sure to remove the battery from the laptop. Step 3. Remove the back panel of the laptop. So in order to do that, we have to first remove the screws of laptop's back panel. For doing this, we will require a small screwdriver. So one by one, we have to remove the screws from the laptop. Once all the screws are removed, then we have to move down the back panel and then lift up in order to remove it. Once the back panel is removed, you can see internals of the laptop. This is the hard drive of laptop. This is the RAM of the laptop. This is the place where DVD drive is kept. This is the screw to remove the DVD drive from the socket. In order to remove the DVD drive, we have to remove this screw first. Once that screw is removed, then we can remove the DVD drive by pulling it out. DVD drive has one extension which is used to install the DVD drive in the laptop. So we have to remove this extension by removing this screw. Now we have to add this extension onto our SSD drive. We have to use the same screw to install it. While buying the Caddy case, make sure that Caddy case has a cap. It will avoid the dust to go inside the laptop. The Caddy case which I am using is having the cap. Make sure that all the screws are properly tight. Even if the single screw is loose by millimeter, Caddy case will not fit into the laptop. Now we have to slowly insert the Caddy case into the laptop. Make sure to tight the screw which is at the extension of the SSD. Now installation of SSD is done. Now we should add the back panel of the laptop. Then add the battery at the proper place. Now our SSD is ready to use.